Welcome to this video on leveraging a free Claude Code agent through API routing, enhancing your coding workflow without high costs or heavy hardware requirements. Historically, agentic coding required high-end hardware or expensive subscriptions. API routing, specifically using OpenRouter, bypasses both, offering pay-as-you-go costs and access to hundreds of models, from free to premium. The API switchboard architecture shows how Claude Code sends a request. OpenRouter acts as an endpoint, overriding the base URL to route the request to premium, mid-tier, or free models, avoiding the Anthropic paywall. Step 1 is OpenRouter access. Create a free account at openrouter.ai. Then, navigate to Settings and API Keys to generate and copy a new key for the demo. For configuration, we recommend Project Setup over Global Setup. Project-specific configuration keeps routing scoped to a single folder, preventing conflicts and ideal for sandboxed experimentation. To initialize your project, create a "Claude folder in the root and generate a settings.local.json file inside it. Claude Code will automatically detect these scoped variables upon execution. A critical step to avoid collision is ensuring Anthropic_API_key is an empty string in the settings file. If omitted, Claude Code defaults to Anthropic and conflicts with the OpenRouter base URL. Remember to run /logout if you have cached credentials. OpenRouter offers a tiered model hierarchy. You have zero-cost options, high-volume agentic models like Minimax, and heavy-lifting models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Model selection can be guided by OpenRouter's popularity metrics. Examining token economics reveals the cost savings. Mid-tier models deliver costs under $2 per million tokens, allowing for extensive autonomous work without the budget drain of models like Claude Opus. The model routing configuration involves mapping your chosen OpenRouter model ID to the relevant Anthropic variables. Setting the subagent variable ensures background autonomous tasks use the same cost-effective routing. For system verification, launch the agent. The Claude command confirms connection and the model tag. The quo/status command confirms the OpenRouter base URL, successfully bypassing default servers. Autonomous execution remains intact. The routed model plan structure creates directories and writes application syntax without step-by-step intervention, even for complex requests like building a SaaS landing page. The output is a functional, structured UI generated entirely via OpenRouter routing. This high-quality result is ready for iteration and was created in under 60 seconds. Verifying the cost shows that a complete agentic loop, including planning, HTML, and CSS structuring, was executed for less than $1. This is true usage-based billing with zero subscription lock-in. Autonomous coding is now decoupled from hardware and subscriptions. A brief configuration process unlocks enterprise-grade AI execution at microtransaction pricing.